Oh, I saw your question on discussion board. You indicate you know several parts of it. You know how to do the symmetry, you know how to figure out its limit, so, and how do you know which way it's rotated? Well, I guess that might go back to the symmetry. You know, this particular problem, you know, if you put in negative theta for theta, that's testing to see if it's symmetric about the polar axis or the x-axis. Well, cosine's an even function, and you know, cosine of negative theta is same as cosine of theta. And so you know, this is an even, since cosine's even, so that says it's symmetric about the pole or the x-axis. So that immediately would tell you it's one of these two, you know, where here's the pole, and so it's, you know, it's one of these two immediately. Couldn't be these other two. And so, you know, that should answer your question, which way it's rotated, just by, you know, what it's symmetric about. And this one's symmetric about the x-axis or the pole. So it immediately tells you it has to be one of the, you know, one of these two choices. So you want to know which way it's rotated, and I think the symmetry would help with that. Could always plot some points also. Hope it helps.